Rihanna. I wrote for my baby, for my baby. Hit me up, baby, on the cacao, baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamia, and today I'm diving in. No pun intended. I'm diving into some K R&B with the one and only Jay Park. So, how did I find about Jay Park? Like I saw Jay Park like pop up on my newsfeed and stuff, but I never like had the interest of listening to him until like one day. I think he popped up on my cause on Pandora I have a BTS station and got some station on Pandora. So I think he popped up on one of those stations or maybe something else. I don't know, but I heard this song and I was just like, oh wow, this is Jay Park. I have to like listen to more. So yeah, I listen to this song literally every day when I wake up. It's like my song. This song and I'll be like, I make it feel so good to hit just like I should. I hope you know me like it. That's all me like it. And this is some other songs too. But he has like so many albums. Like I want to listen to all his songs because he has like such a nice like voice. Like he can rap, he can sing, and he dances. And I saw this clip on Facebook from America's Got Talent, like the Thai version, and the guy that was sitting there was Jay Park. I was like, this guy is cute. What if he is? And then I found out it was Jay Park. I was like, wow. Anyway, this is Jay Park Yacht featuring Sick K. This is a Sick K video, so you guys check that out. Dance visuals. So let's get right into it. He's so cute. I'll be like, girl, my girl, I'm so high, baby, work, girl, work like Rihanna. I roll for my baby. He's like dangerous. Like he's so cute. I'm about to fall off the couch. Baby. That's so cool. It's what I love. I be like, girl, my dope. I'm so high, baby. Work, girl, work like Rihanna. This is so hot, bro. For my baby, for my baby. Give me he look, oh, look at his arm. I'm having like an attack right now. Let me circle you away. She got a tattoo on her back. Oh, it's the stuff reflecting off of them. I be like, yo, my girl, I'm so high, baby, work, girl, work, Rihanna, you're so cute. Ooh, it's for my baby, they strippers. Yes, girlies. Ah, yes, J Park. Oh, cute. He looks so short. How tall is he? He's so fine as hell. Wow, I said whole chair. Baby, work, work, together. For my baby. Hey, hey, hey. That's what I love. Be like, girl, my dough. You so hot, baby. Work, girl, work like Rihanna. I can't look at him. Like, I get chills and it's so sad. Yeah. Also, that was my reaction to J Park Yacht featuring CK dance visuals. It was super cool, super amazing. Sorry for my bad singing, but that's my song. Like I said before, listen to it every day. So stay tuned for more reactions, you know. So now I have my channel now. I have BTS Astro, got 7 Stray Kids, J Park, CK. Anybody else you got me listen to, like it could be J Rock, J Mac. I got J Park, but it could be K-pop, K-rock, K-hip-hop, K anything you want me to listen to. I'll listen to you guys. Or you want me to watch, you know, funny moments, a new group, you know, just link the girl down below and I will get to it most definitely. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for more. And I'm happy to be back. Bye, you guys.